Okay, so you are keeping your promises, and I have to bring back the updates to you again. So basically, what I need from here is to, if this cannot be transparent, then we definitely need a white banner on this, so this logo can be blend into this white. So if this background white cannot be transparent and be on this, then please make the white banner on the menu. Next, it's all about you. Can you please make it a little bit bigger so it has the same size as this one? It looks and stands out a little bit more. On this banner, the photos she sent, could you please add a couple of more and have them as a option 8 fading style like Sherry has? See how Sherry has a logo without the background? Then this search bar, please remove it from here and put it up between these two sections about the listings, and then move this all down, all up like she has here. Then I don't see the pattern on these boxes that she sent, which is excellence. So please add the pattern to these boxes and also to the contact form. And yeah, that should be it for now. Those are the changes that we need. And if this can be a little bit less bold, maybe like this, it will be great. If not, just keep it as this. Hope you are going to make these updates for me. Thanks.